That he was in a very small church and he used to fellowship from there just once in a while. He just used to send the children to pray from there. Sometimes they could drive and go to some sometimes he could go with their children because after praying they could bring to some. When he could get hold of big money, he could not bring it to church. This small church that he used to minister, he used to take it to a church there at Matuga because it is big. Now the pastor of that church he had met. If he was to give him, just call him, but come and pick your stuff from here. If he was to give that pastor, he would just tell him, go and take that thing, it is there. The pastor had a wife and they could come to that man's place and work. Because they needed to eat and this rich man had given them. They once came and cleaned the crowd, all the biggest house that this man could, they could attract the heart of this rich man. The man started losing some of his items. But if he could get hold of the tithe, he could take it to a certain church. If it was giving thanks, he could take it to Nambole. Or the Thanksgiving prayer. Now when God blamed him, he said that he got a friend called Chimbugwe and God revealed everything to him. That he had made the pastor a laborer, that he could come and cultivate in his garden so that the pastor could get what. Then he told him that, you see what you're doing to me? You've made me a laborer. He told him that, you know why I brought you here? But see how my house is looking. It's the same, and you see how you're looking. You sleep well, but see how my house is looking. The man looked at the house that God was showing him. It's the very church that he used to minimize. Then he asked him where he was taking the tithe. If God does not, but maybe God used to talk to him, but he couldn't hear because of the hard heart. Now, my dear, if you are God's treasurers, hearken to what God says. Because whatever you're having belongs to Him. Maybe he did not want to give the pastor, and perhaps he did not even want to be prayed for. But he lost things with a child. I did not copy the testimony and I don't know whether God raised him up. He got to realize that if God puts you somewhere, he has a reason. And he has to work with all his power to see that he fulfills what God has told him. And something of God is always for him. Many times we've diverted the love of God. We've diverted the word of God. hoping that we are still in the will of God.
Ekigambo kya Katonda tekikyuka.
The word of God never changes.
Ekigambo kya Katonda tekitambula na mulembe.
The word of God never moves with generation.
Kubanga already kyo kye kikola omulembe.
Because for itself is the one which makes a generation.
Okuva ku lubereberye okutuuka ku nkomerero.
From the beginning to the end.
Takyuka tajjulukuka.
He never changes.
Ye Alpha.
He's the Alpha.
Era Omega.
And Omega.
Entandikwa.
The beginning.
Ate n'enkomerero.
And the end.
Tuyina kwegendereza bulijjo.
We just need to be careful.
Bwe tuba nga twetaaga Katonda.
If we really need God.
Ekintu ky'olina n'olugoye lw'oyambadde weebale kugula.
The thing you're having, even a clothes that you are putting on, thanks for buying it.
Naye lwa Mukama.